Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a Google account and control of your site's hosting or DNS. Once done, choose domain property to cover all subdomains and protocols or URL prefix for specific versions. Make sure to copy your exact homepage URL and prepare a sitemap file if you have one. Now open Search Console, click Add Property, and enter the chosen property type. This starts the verification flow, so Google can prove you own the site before indexing. Privileges are granted. You'll pick a verification method based on access. DNS-TXT is reliable for domain properties. Add the provided TXT to your DNS records and wait for propagation. If you control the CMS or server, uploading the HTML verification file or adding the meta HTML tag is quicker. Place it in the site root or header. For sites already using Google Analytics or Tag Manager with the right permissions, those options verify instantly. Once verified, Search Console confirms ownership and unlocks reporting and tools. You finish by submitting your sitemap, XML in the sitemaps section, and requesting indexing for priority pages to accelerate discovery. Make sure to set preferred domain habits, check crawl errors, and enable email alerts for critical issues. Monitor coverage and performance reports to confirm pages appear. If verification fails, recheck that the DNS-TXT or HTML file is exactly as provided, account permissions are correct, and DNS-TTL has elapsed. If needed, retry or use an alternative verification method to resolve stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.